Hey everyone, Security Dave here, and in this video we're talking Fortnite for Android. Today's news story comes from Info Security magazine and relates to the video game Fortnite. Fortnite's a very popular video game that is available on a multitude of platforms: Xbox, PlayStation, PC and Mac, iOS, and Nintendo Switch. The one platform it isn't available yet for is Android. Various video tutorials have sprung up on how to get an early release of the game. Through these tutorials, users download an app that plays the Fortnite intro song, requests updates, and a mobile authentication. Also, to verify your identity and unlock the application, you're required to download other applications, which earn the malicious app creators money. No matter how many applications you download, there's no actual game to unlock. Even if you don't play video games, you may know somebody who does, so remind friends and family that if they should only download applications from the Google Play Store on Android and the App Store on the iPhone. Third-party APK installs of applications on Android are a quick way to download malware. Also, if anybody's looking for Fortnite on Android, it hasn't been released yet as of June 21st, 2018. So I've actually fired up an Android emulator here, and we're going to take a look and see what happens when you download this application. I found one person streaming for the last 20 plus hours a tutorial that loops over and over and calls out his website here, obviously. He shows it running on a kind of sketchy looking phone there. So let's go ahead and download his application and see what happens. I have this running as a Pixel 2 emulator here. Maybe I didn't click on that. Opening. Here we go. Allow. Install. So he claims that, you just need to open a few applications and download them from the App Store to get this to work. See, now it shows the Fortnite logo, early access. Yeah, it looks really convincing, huh? He skips over all the steps in this video on how that you're required to download a bunch of applications in the background. Tap to start. Mobile verification required. Ooh, press OK to continue. This looks all legitimate. Let's open this with Chrome. Let's see what it has us doing here, huh? Are you a bot.net? Content lockers. Click on every option from below one by one. Should be 3 options. Okay, so this is a common referral scam here. Basically, he gets money every time you download one of these. And then you click these 3 and hit check completion. And there is really nothing to finish here. So let's see, we've got this long URL. Huge URL. It's areyouabot.net. So this is definitely a scam. This guy's been running this video looping forever. As of this time right now, it's 628 people watching. When I first joined it, it was 4,000. So, just don't fall for these scams. Just stick with your current VPN. Don't fall for the VPN provider ones where you can remote into a different country or something like that and download it. Just wait for it to hit the actual Google Play Store. The APK installs from remote locations is a surefire way to get malware on your Android device. Thanks for watching. If you find these videos helpful, please subscribe.